How to make all TikTok videos private. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make all your TikTok videos private at bulk. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you are trying to make all of your TikTok videos private, so maybe you open up TikTok and then you have like 1,000 to 2,000 videos. You want to make more of these videos or maybe all videos private. Normally, to make an individual video private, you would open that video, go to the three dots icon there, scroll from the bottom until you see the option called privacy settings, and you'd be able to set this who can watch this video to only you. Now, when this happens, only you are able to view that video. But can you do for all of these videos at once? Well, not exactly. You cannot make all videos private at once, because if you have like 2,000 or 3,000 videos, that's not a question. But an alternative solution is that we can make our TikTok account private. To do so, you tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, then go to settings and privacy. Then from there, go to the option called privacy. Then from there, turn on private account. And with a private account, only people you approve can view your profile and post, which also includes the videos, and existing followers won't be affected. So this is the way on how you can make all videos private. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.